Welcome to what I hope will be an informative journey into the realm of educational accreditation. Today I will be sharing with you some of the accreditation options offered by the International Education Accreditation Council, better known as IEAC, and together we will explore the myriad benefits these options offer to educational institutions worldwide. At IEAC, we understand the pivotal role accreditation plays in ensuring the quality and integrity of educational institutions. Accreditation is not merely a badge, it's a commitment to excellence, a testament to dedication, and a pathway to global recognition. Let's uncover why IEAC accreditation stands out among the rest. First and foremost, quality assurance. Accreditation with IEAC serves as a seal of approval, assuring students, parents and stakeholders that your institution upholds and exceeds established standards for quality education. But it doesn't stop there. IEAC accreditation opens doors to global recognition. In today's interconnected world, international opportunities beckon, and IEAC accreditation paves the way. Employers and educational institutions worldwide prioritise candidates from accredited institutions, giving you a competitive edge in the global arena. Now, let's talk about access to funding. Many funding sources, be it government grants or private foundations, require institutions to be accredited. With IEAC accreditation, your institution becomes more eligible for financial support, ensuring sustainability and growth. But wait, there's more. IEAC accreditation enhances student and faculty recruitment. It serves as a beacon of academic excellence, attracting top-tier talent to your institution. Your accreditation status speaks volumes about your commitment to fostering a vibrant academic community. Continuous improvement is the cornerstone of IEAC accreditation. Through a rigorous self-assessment and external evaluation process, institutions embark on a journey of self-reflection and enhancement. This culture of continuous improvement fosters innovation and excellence, ensuring relevance in a rapidly evolving educational landscape. Transferability of credits is another key advantage of IEAC accreditation. Accredited institutions facilitate seamless credit transfer between institutions, both domestically and internationally. This empowers students to pursue their educational aspirations with ease and flexibility. Aligning with industry standards is paramount in preparing students for the workforce. IEAC accredited programs are meticulously aligned with industry standards, equipping graduates with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in their chosen fields. Legal compliance is non-negotiable in today's regulatory landscape. Accredited institutions demonstrate a commitment to upholding legal and regulatory requirements, safeguarding the rights and interests of students and stakeholders alike. Now you may be wondering just who can benefit from IEAC accreditation. The answer is simple: anyone dedicated to excellence in education. Not only does IEAC offer accreditation to traditional educational institutions like primary schools, universities and colleges, but it also extends its accreditation services to a diverse range of educational entities, from corporate training centres to language schools, and from college preparatory institutions to university programmes. If an institution is dedicated to teaching and learning, IEAC stands ready to accredit it. Whether you're shaping young minds in a primary school classroom or providing specialised training in a corporate setting, IEAC accreditation recognises and celebrates your commitment to excellence in education. No institution is too big or too small. If it has a focus on teaching and learning, it can benefit from IEAC accreditation. So, if you're ready to elevate your institution's standards and unlock new opportunities for growth and recognition, look no further than IEAC. Reach out to us today and let's embark on a journey of accreditation and excellence together. Now, many of you may already be accredited with other agencies, but want to access the many benefits IEAC has to offer. To answer this, IEAC has introduced the Affiliate Accreditation Pathway. This is a unique opportunity for institutions already accredited by other recognised bodies to unlock additional benefit. With an IEAC affiliate accreditation, you can tap into our extensive network, gain access to exclusive resources, and enhance your institution's visibility and reputation on a global scale. Lastly, there may be some of you out there that do not have accreditation and are not yet ready to apply for a full accreditation. This is where membership with IEAC is invaluable. By becoming a member, institutions gain access to a wealth of resources, including networking opportunities, professional development initiatives, and marketing support. Membership with IEAC is more than just a title. It's a gateway to excellence and innovation in education. So whether you're seeking accreditation, affiliate status, or membership with IEAC, you're joining a vibrant community dedicated to elevating educational standards and making a positive impact on society. Join us on this inclusive journey towards educational excellence. Reach out to IEAC today, and together, let's unlock the full potential of your institution and make a lasting impact on the world through education. Remember, at IEAC, we believe that every institution has the potential to make a profound impact on the world through education. Join us in shaping a brighter future for generations to come.